In the early days of the web, static HTML pages were the norm. They laid the foundation for what would become a dynamic and interactive digital world. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. However, these early web pages had significant limitations. They lacked interactivity and were unable to respond to user inputs, making the user experience quite basic. JavaScript revolutionized web development by introducing interactivity. It allowed web pages to respond to user actions, creating a more engaging experience. Early dynamic content transformed user interactions, making websites more than just static displays. This shift marked the beginning of a new era in web development. React emerged as a game-changer in front-end development. Its component-based architecture allowed developers to build reusable UI components, enhancing efficiency. This approach simplified complex UI development, enabling developers to manage large applications with ease and consistency. Angular introduced templates that streamlined development processes. It provided a structured framework for building scalable applications. Angular's approach to development emphasized modularity and reusability, making it a popular choice for large-scale projects. React and Angular each have unique strengths. React offers flexibility and a lightweight approach, while Angular provides a comprehensive framework. Understanding their differences helps developers choose the right tool for their specific needs, balancing flexibility with structure. Modern frameworks like React and Angular enabled the creation of single-page applications. These apps offer seamless user experiences without constant page reloads. For both users and developers, modern web applications provide enhanced performance and a more interactive experience. By understanding past developments, we can better prepare for future changes in web development. This knowledge is crucial for staying ahead. Emerging trends in front-end architecture promise even more exciting innovations. Staying informed ensures we can adapt and thrive. We've journeyed from static HTML to modern frameworks, witnessing incredible evolution. Embracing these changes enhances our web development skills. By staying curious and adaptable, you can continue to grow and innovate in this ever-changing field. Recap. We explored the evolution from static pages to dynamic content, React's impact, Angular's influence, and the rise of modern applications. By understanding these developments, you'll be better equipped to tackle future challenges and innovations in web development. Call to action. Dive deeper into these frameworks and experiment with building your own applications. The more you practice, the more proficient you'll become. Let's embrace the evolution of web development together. Start your journey today and unlock new possibilities in your projects.